In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The meeting between the Minister of Mines and Chinese ambassador in Kabul. The Minister of Finance stresses for the better management of the country's public budget for the current fiscal year. And at least 44 people killed and injured in a fire at the commercial center in Tehran. Welcome to the news package. It's Wednesday, the 19th of Zulqa'dah al-Haram 1447, the 16th of Sawf 1405, and the 6th of May 2026. The news details. Mullah Hidayatullah Badri, the Minister of Mines and Petroleum, met with Chinese Ambassador, the General Director of MCCT, the head of the MJAM company, and their accompanying delegation to discuss the progress and challenges of ANAC copper project. Based on the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum, the meeting reviewed the failure to implement certain commitments stipulated in a ANAC copper project mining contract. The General Director of MCCT also provided information regarding the unfinished activities and pledged to following the procedures. The Minister of Finance organized a one-day training workshop on the implementation of 1405 public budget regulation and the registration of budget allocations. During the workshop, Mullah Abdul Qadir Ahmad, the Deputy Minister of Finance of the Ministry, stated that all the budgetary units must pay serious attention to preventing unnecessary expenditures and ensuring better management of the public budget while carrying out their activities in accordance with the approved budget regulations. The news continuation. The Minister of Information and Culture announced that nearly 70 historical monuments across the country were surveyed during the solar year of 1404, out of which 15 were newly registered. In accordance with the Ministry, around 23 historical monuments in provinces of Kabul, Kandahar, Bamiyan, Ghazni, Kunar, Laghman, Pektia, Pektika, and Helmand were also restored during the past year, while restoration work on several others is still ongoing. The Ministry further stated that 4 national and international organizations cooperated with the Directorate of the Preservation of Historical Monuments in the field of protecting and maintaining historical sites. And ultimately, the Iranian media reported that at least 8 people were killed and 36 others injured following a massive fire at a commercial building known as Arghavan in the western part of Tehran, the capital of Iran. According to the reports, the cause of the fire has not yet been determined. However, the government has ordered the arrest of the building's constructor. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.